Welcome back to ChainFinance, your home for advanced blockchain knowledge, simple explanations, deep concepts, and next-level Web3 education. Today we're covering a massive innovation, a new layer built on top of Ethereum, a system-changing blockchain security. It's called Restaking, and it is powered by EigenLayer. Restaking is a powerful idea. It reuses Ethereum's existing security. Instead of creating new validators or building new trust systems, Restaking taps into Ethereum's proof of stake, the staked ETH already securing the network, and extends that security to other protocols. Without starting from scratch, this unlocks massive efficiency and saves huge resources. Let's start with the basics. In Ethereum today, validators stake ETH. They secure the blockchain and earn rewards for good behavior. This staking system is extremely secure. Billions of dollars back it. Now imagine using that security again for new networks, new protocols, and new services. That is the idea of restaking. You take your staked ETH and restake it for extra security tasks, without unstaking it from Ethereum. This creates a new layer of trust, a marketplace for security, and a way for ETH to secure more than one network. All at the same time, this upgrade changes everything, because security becomes reusable. Now let's talk about EigenLayer. EigenLayer is the platform enabling restaking. It allows validators and liquid stakers to opt in. They choose new services to secure, and get rewarded for doing so. These services are called AVSs. AVS means actively validated service. It could be a data layer, a bridge, a RUPLOP. It could be an Oracle network, a new consensus mechanism, or any protocol needing security. Instead of building its own validator set, the protocol uses EigenLayer and borrows Ethereum's validators. This saves time, saves money, and increases safety, because the security comes from Ethereum itself. Restakers earn extra yield for helping, but they also take on extra risk, because if they misbehave, they can be slashed. Slashing means losing part of their stake. This risk is what enforces good behavior. Without risk, security wouldn't be real. EigenLayer uses this risk-reward balance. To create strong incentives, AVSs choose how strict their rules are. Some require deep verification. Some require fast responses. Some require complex validation work. EigenLayer gives AVSs freedom. They design the rules, validators follow them, and restakers support them. All powered by staked ETH. This is shared security. So why is restaking a big deal? Because security is expensive. New blockchains must recruit validators. New protocols must create trust networks. Restaking removes that barrier. It gives everyone access to Ethereum's security, instantly, efficiently, and at lower cost. This accelerates innovation. Restaking can help rollups. It can help oracles. It can help data availability layers. It can help cross-chain systems. And it can help new Web3 infrastructure. All without building new trust systems. That is the power of EigenLayer, a marketplace for decentralized security, and a new chapter in Ethereum's evolution.